Good afternoon. I'm Susan Dinkle. It's Tuesday, January 31st. Tax season has arrived. Year after year, filing doesn't change too much, but a new proposed bill could mean a potential change is on the way. Right now, 8 states operate with no state income tax, so to make up for it, those states have different expenses that cost more than normal. For example, according to the Tax Foundation, Texas has higher sales and property taxes, but no state income tax. A newly proposed law could add Indiana to the list of states operating with no income tax. News 10's Blake Dahlia joins us now live from downtown Terre Haute to explain what such a law could mean moving forward. Blake.
Susie, if Indiana's state income tax is removed, you could be paying more when you go to, say, a grocery shop or something like that. That means people who shop at the downtown businesses here in Terre Haute could be paying more of a tax here. When I say tax replacement, that means that income tax would be reduced all the way to zero. A state retailer sales tax would replace it. Representative Bruce Borders of Jasonville wrote the bill. It already caused some disagreement between the two major political parties. Indiana Democrats say the bill could be harmful to those struggling to pay for groceries. The chairman told me in part, quote, Representative Borders' bill is just the tip of the iceberg on the GOP's plans to tax working class families, end quote. Borders, on the other hand, argues that the income tax itself doesn't follow the law. That's because Borders says consumption taxes are the only taxes that should be allowed.
The only people that I've known that blast me on this issue are people that really don't delve and dive into the Constitution to see what was intended by our founding fathers.
The bill hasn't had a hearing yet, but coming up at 6, I'll tell you a little bit more about what each side of the aisle has to say. Reporting live in downtown Terre Haute, Blake Dahlia, News 10.